Ricky Chopper, which one on pull the string, make Vybz Cartel their road. Because the way you know behave, you know go like say, I uno call the judge and ask the free Vybz Cartel.
The Scoop.
Things. The first thing teacher should have not care what. If you link blood clot Jeffrey Hype, say, oh teacher na link Jeffrey Hype man now. Can I jar them you they get? Eh? All I want to chat off for no mouth. As I'm looking back around the man, a man got some boom and blood clot got some boom and say the one number for read teacher. A man link some I wanna shield the DJ. Say, I suck out to no more my whole I wanna. Say, Refs and Jeff say, and then I'll nothing with teacher thumb down in bomb clot. I come about teacher, nothing where you do. When buckle that fight and them thing there, and the ground grimy out there, you think me see you? Me not see none of uno. None of uno me no blood that say, no come about, oh teacher, this and teacher and teacher. But teacher on a bomb up, the goal I wanna fi go. Say, I want to know. I will fight the struggle around here.
The Scoop.
What a one, my people. Welcome back to the Scoop with Michelle. Guys, I don't know why Vybz Cartel have some people crashing out over his success, over his money to be particular. Cause tell me why me come across a video of Ricky Chopper, long time selector Ricky Chopper, at his big age, crashing out about Vybz Cartel money and who Vybz Cartel should be giving his money and who should be spending Vybz Cartel money. Remember this, guys. Sometimes you and a man can grow up together, go through everything together, but the man they never did wish good for you. You understand me? Cause always the people when you grow up with, and not all of them, you know, guys. Don't get me wrong. They never wish you best. It. The people when you grow up with, they never wish you best. Can tell you that. We can talk from experience. You understand? So sometimes people move on. People move on with different people that they find is more loyal to them. You understand? So you're not supposed to tell Kartel, Ricky Chopper, you're not supposed to tell Kartel who is supposed to give free show and who is supposed to spend money monks and enough of them never did dead there and if you go escort their mother and scatter this and come on now. Come on now. Sometimes you can meet somebody for 2 years and that person is better to you than somebody you know from the day you're born. Understand? You don't want the man to be stagnant in the one place forever. The man move on. But Vybz Cartel no loyalty. So if uno did loyal as uno say to Vybz Cartel, me sure not turning back on uno. And me know Vybz Cartel must go no link or I go no link. More time uno for wait on the turn. More time uno for wait on the turn. But me still ask I wish you not uno pay in lawyer fee. I wish you not uno file for appeal. Cause uno go like man entitled. Wish you not uno pull the string when me Cartel that road. Ricky Chopper. Wish one on pull the string, make Vybz Cartel their road. Because the way you know behave, you know go like say, I uno call the judge and ask the free Vybz Cartel. Me have to agree with you with one something, you know, Ricky Chopper. I not lie you. I have to agree with you with one thing. You said that Vybz Cartel is way bigger than a king. And this kingship here, you really water down Vybz Cartel thing and make a lot of disrespect come in it. And I don't lie. Because from this kingship come about a pure argument and people where them and Cartel are the same league. I try size up. Some artists are on Cartel level. I try size up. Some people when not in a Cartel league. I try size up. Because of this kingship thing here. So I have to agree with Ricky Chopper and Ricky Chopper say Cartel was done the world boss already. And the world boss is the biggest title. Because in truth and in fact, a king only rules their jurisdiction. You understand? They don't go rule for them country. But a world boss control the entire world. You understand me? You don't hold the title they already world boss with you. So I have to agree with Ricky Chopper on that. But Ricky Chopper, when you have a tag say Vybz Cartel supposed to look out for him man them when they did it with him from day one And who now come and say Cartel and a king and this, them for go S out them mother and all kind of stuff. You know, sound good, Ricky Chopper. You know, sound good because listen, people are not fool, you know. People are not fool. Because them say you can't fool some people sometime, but you can't fool all the people all the time. And I know Adi are not fool. Me know Cartel are not fool. Cartel deal with loyalty. Yes, I will pound did the film in a beginning and career, yes. But were you loyal? Because the loyalty I did deal with. You see, nothing. We not cuss, I don't know class, nothing, I don't know bring down nothing. Nothing. I want a Cartel most loyal friend, companion, co-worker, and fan. Nothing. Nothing advocate for Vybz Cartel, right through. I don't need a lock up. You understand? And the way you missing nothing stand up. What do you have for Vybz Cartel and just she? Them be very disrespectful to him and Sunfest. And nothing come out and lick out.
Look at hungry belly Joshy. You get a little blood clot chance with silk bars. If you got a career in your hand, all you're interested in is to run back a man. PP pluck like a big artist to call you up on stage. Eh? You come and talk about king and this and king and that. Move your look up blood clot, fall back and go. Eh? Wanna know about dancehall? Wanna know about dancehall? You think it easy for pass blood clot being the man and Cartel, sir? Laps him 3 times. And me say it, and me say it again. He said, after that king, there will be no more king in dancehall. And me I promise you that. Because we don't do no blood clot work. We don't work. We don't work. After blood clot Cartel, no more king.
My friend, them don't defend me like that. Them are not my friend. You're supposed to defend your friend. You're supposed to defend your friend when people disrespect them and violate them. So nothing is the real friend. How much I want to come out and tell Josh, say, look boy, I don't know yourself. Don't size up. How much I want to do it? We say, we don't loyal to Vybz Cartel and we love Vybz Cartel because all I want to fight, you know, who love Cartel more and who more loyal to Cartel. But we don't remember say, and words do it, actions. Action talk. Yeah, because words are wind. Anyone can say we don't love Cartel. I don't lie to Cartel, but we don't action I go tell. So we don't go cuss the people, they must stay. Then did they when Cartel did broke and hungry and know what them reap the benefits. Because you have know say people grow, people elevate. Nobody now go stay one place forever. If a man there's somewhere they say toxic, or the environment no good for them, they more take time slide from the environment there. Or if them feel say people around them not loyal, them go take time slide. You understand? So when I go class and cuss Nuffy, Nuffy is a loyal soldier. Matsus is a loyal soldier. Shanstam is a loyal soldier. And they are no fool. Sometimes the people where you grow up with and the people where you think are the friend are them have the worst to say about you. Are them do the most things in their life. So even though you know they dead there before the fame, and they dead there when him did hungry. When he not own any obligations. He not own no obligations, you know? None at all. You understand? Because when him did get locked up in a prison, him one did go serve him time along Shanstam and Matsus. How me never did hear uno have the same energy when Vybz Cartel was in lockup. Me never hear uno come out and sing him praises yet and I talk about him. Eh? But a man come around and all of a sudden, a man supposed to respond to mine, you know, and take care of, you know. It's like Cartel money and mad everybody. Cartel money and mad everybody. You know footer hype. Just leave Vybz Cartel alone now. Vybz Cartel now look by Vybz Cartel now give you time of day. You always have something to say negative about Vybz Cartel. Just leave Vybz Cartel now, nothing man. Don't just a crash out of a man money. A man success a mad, you know. You understand? Ricky Trooper at your big age. Your big age, you know. You come and a crash out on the internet. over who Vybz Cartel should not give him money and not take care of. You can't tell a man if you do the money. You can't tell a man if you do the money, you know. I feel money and never uno and him work it. I him work it. Me no know which all time selector them DJ. Everybody did make them a crawl out. But them a crawl out. Them a crawl out. I don't know from whence they came. But them a come. Yes. You understand? Them a come. And them a crash out. Cause they find out the Vybz Cartel I get millions if you perform. So it hurt them head. But at time now, no rest of the man. No rest the Gaza boss, man. Make a man enjoy money, no man. You know they are 13 years. 13 years freely for go make phone. No. And the man they behind the bars. And one come a road. I know man they are road. I enjoy money and I make money. I don't know I make a big deal over it. You know if you stop it, man. It don't look good and it don't sound good. It don't look good. Selector, yes, someone will play the artist them music when they just bust and give them look highlight. But at the end of the day, them career carry them through and never uno. So stop act like say them own obligations. Stop act like them own obligations. Them own no obligations. You understand me? Why me I tell you guys? You know, but Adi, just go on do your thing. Me see you mash up Baltimore last night. Hey, meanwhile them a crash out, you know. Adi they about in business and mash up place, you know, and enjoy yourself, you know. And the greatest thing, guys, Adi not pay them no mind. You know, hands are not one of them. And last night, Adi said on the stage, say, you should have glad, say, me no do badness again. Yeah, you should have really glad. It's like you don't want the man to go back to him always. And Mrs. said that no for you push, you know. And that's why I know say I no rate some of you. That's why I know say the man no rate some of you because someone no really want the man to go back to prison. You know try to test the man faith, for him crash out and go back to prison. That you don't want, but you don't know how to get it. You don't know how to get it. And then you don't say you don't love cartel and no rate cartel. But you don't want the man to go back to prison. Because anytime the man that road, the whole of you feel threatened. All of you feel threatened. But anyway, guys, make me know want to think about all the selector, your DJ, and all of them will crash out over Vybz Cartel success. What you think? Big up on yourself. Work good and spread love. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, you know. Leave a comment, you know, guys. Yeah, man, subscribe to my channel, you know, guys.
The Scoop.